Shandong Yongfeng Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited, since 2009, a professional manufacturer of hydraulic hose crimping machine, hose cutting machine, hose skiving machine, hydraulic hoses, and fittings. Moreover, with the expanding of the international market, Yongfeng Crimpers has gradually been awarded the trusted supplier by many customers at home and abroad. Yongfeng Crimpers have widely used in industries of hydraulic repair service of construction machinery, agricultural machinery, vehicle repair, production of flexible and industrial hoses, hydraulic equipments, on-site service, oil fields, mining hydraulic prop, greenhouse building, metallic tubes, etc. Yongfeng Crimpers have sold to more than 20 domestic provinces and cities in China's market and have exported to many counties as follows: European market, Poland, Bulgaria, Germany, Italy, Denmark, Russia. American market, Uruguay, Mexico, Bolivia, Colombia, Canada. Oceania market, Vanuatu, New Zealand, Australia. Asia market, Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Philippines. Middle East market, Kuwait, UAE. African market, Algeria, South Africa. Yongfeng Hydraulics with a wide range of products as follows: hydraulic hose crimping machine, hose cutting machine, hose skiving machine, pressure test bench, dies and accessories, hydraulic hoses assembly, fittings, connectors, adapters assembly based on the spirit of innovative and professional, strict quality control, final quality control, and customer-oriented services. Yongfeng Crimpers have provided the clean and total crimp solutions and seek long-term and closing cooperation with our customers. Yongfeng Crimpers have the experienced and efficient sales team.
Hello, welcome to Shandong Yongfeng Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited. My name is Kevin. We mainly produce the hydraulic hose cutting machine, hose cutting machine, and hose skiving machine. We can supply you 24-hour service. If you need more information about our product, you can call me and email to me. Thank you.